If you also want to try something new in sweets and you like eating chocolate and cake, then definitely make these Nutella white chocolate cake bowls. These turn out to be very amazing in taste. So let's start making it. So first of all we will make the cake. I have taken a big bowl here. Take a cup full of milk in it. We will take milk only at room temperature. Now add half a cup of unflavored oil in it. And take 1 cup of powdered sugar. I have ground the sugar very finely in a mixture jar. Now we will mix all this well with the help of hand beater. We will mix them until the sugar gets mixed well with the milk and oil. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence in it, and again we will mix the vanilla essence in it well. If you don't like a flavor of vanilla essence, then you can skip it. So here all these things are mixed well. Now we will place a sieve over it. Add 1 cup full of all-purpose flour in the sieve. Then add half cup cocoa powder, 2.5 teaspoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Now we will strain all this through a sieve. After straining all this, mix them well. We will mix these in a one direction and mix them until there are no lumps left in it. As you keep mixing them, you can see that a nice batter will be prepared. Don't mix it too much, just mix it well until all the ingredients are mixed well and there are no lumps in it and a smooth textured batter is prepared. So after mixing for about 2 minutes, you can see that a batter with a perfect smooth texture is ready. This batter is neither too thick nor too thin. So this is the kind of batter we need for a perfect cake. So now we will transfer this batter to the baking tray. I have taken a round shaped baking tray here. We will add 2 to 3 spoons of oil in it and later add 2 spoons of flour. Now with the help of brush, spread the oil and flour well on all sides of the tray, so that after being baked, our cake doesn't stick anywhere in this tray and comes out easily. If you have butter paper, you can also keep it at the bottom. This will prevent the cake from sticking to the bottom and will come out easily. So here we have spread a good layer of oil and flour on all the sides. So now we will pour the cake batter in it. To make cake here, you can also take ready-made chocolate flavor cake, or you can also buy a ready-made cake mix and bake it. After transferring the cake to the tray, we will set the cake properly in such a way so that no air is left in it. Now we will bake this cake in a preheated OTG at 180 degrees for 10 minutes and then bake it at 180 degrees on the lower row for 60 minutes. So after baking for about 60 minutes and then cooling it for 15 to 20 minutes, our cake is ready. You can see how easily it comes out of the tray and it's also baked perfectly everywhere. So we cut it and check it whether it is properly baked from inside or not. So you can see how well and perfectly it is baked from inside also. And what a perfect spongy cake has been prepared. So now we will take a half of this portion in a separate bowl. Now we will break this cake with the help of fork and crumble it finely. It will not take much effort. Just as you keep pressing the fork, the cake will get divided into fine pieces. We just have to take care that there are no large pieces of cake left in it, so that we can easily make bowls out of it later. So here we have completely crumbled the cake. Now we will add 2 spoonfuls of Nutella chocolate in it. I am adding Nutella chocolate here because we all like it very much and I also have it available. If you want to add any other chocolate besides this, then you can add it. You can also melt plain dairy milk chocolate and add it. So now we will mix this chocolate and cake well. We don't have to put too much chocolate in it, nor do we have to add too little. Add that much that we can make bowls out of it easily. So here chocolate and cake are mixed well. Now we will make small round shaped bowls from it. So we will take small portion like this and we will press them gently and give them a round shape. Don't make them by pressing them too much, otherwise they will break. So keep pressing them with light hands and give such a round shape. In the same way we will make all balls and prepare them. So here I have prepared all the balls. Now we will keep this ball in a fridge to cool for 30 minutes so that the chocolate and cake get set well. Now we will prepare melted white chocolate to dip these chocolate balls. So here I have taken white compound chocolate and its room temperature. So first of all we will cut it into small pieces with the help of knife. You will easily get this chocolate in any mall. So they are ready here. Now let us melt it. So here I have kept water in a pan to heat. Keep a large bowl in it. And now we will add the pieces of this chocolate in this bowl. It will not take too much time to melt. This chocolate will melt within 2 to 4 minutes. In this also we will keep turning it continuously so that there are no lumps left in it and will melt this chocolate properly. The chocolate has melted well here. And it has been 30 minutes since we kept the balls in a fridge we had made. Now we will dip these balls in this melted chocolate and give it a nice coating on it. Here we have to take a little care and will apply a layer of this chocolate on it because these balls are made of cake so they can break easily. In this way with light hands we will apply this layer of white chocolate on it. So in the same way we will apply a layer of white chocolate on all balls. And again we will keep these balls in a fridge to cool for 30 minutes so that the upper layer of white chocolate also cools down and sets well. So after 30 minutes you can see how amazing our white chocolate cake balls are ready. I am garnishing it with melted brown chocolate here. Similarly you can also garnish it with brown chocolate of your choice on them. This enhances their look even more. So these balls here are as tasty as they look. We can store them in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days and eat them. So you must also try this recipe and tell us by commenting how you like this recipe. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.